Hello guys, welcome back to a new episode of Happy and Healthy Life Recipes. Guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more recipes and press the bell icon to get all notifications of our videos. Today I am making cheesy baked pasta with veggies. So let's start the recipe. To make the cheesy pasta, I am taking 4 cups of water, now add 2 cups of elbow pasta, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon cooking oil. Now boiling the pasta. After 5 minutes, I am straining the pasta. Next I am cutting red bell pepper in slices. After that, I am slicing capsicum. Next I am slicing an onion. After that, cutting a small piece of ginger and finally chopping some garlic cloves. Now in a pan, I am adding 1 tablespoon olive oil. Now adding 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger. Frying a little bit, and after that adding some sliced onion, red bell pepper, capsicum. Again frying a little bit. Now adding half cup of boiled sweet corn. Now frying all the veggies in low to medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Next adding 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon chili flakes and mixing them well. It's time to add 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Next I am adding the boiled pasta. Mixing all the veggies with the pasta and cook them for 5 minutes in low to medium heat. Now our pasta is ready. Now I am making a sauce for layering. For that I am adding 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoon eggless mayonnaise, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon oregano and some crushed black pepper. Now give it a good mix. Our layering sauce is ready. For baking the pasta, in a baking tray, I am grating some butter. On that, adding 1 layer of cooked pasta evenly. On the next layer, I am spreading the sauce. Now adding rest of the pasta. On the top of that, crushing some black pepper. It's time to make our pasta cheesy. So I'm putting sliced cheese on the top layer. Now decorating our cheesy pasta with some black olive. It's absolutely optional. Next, baking the pasta in a preheated oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. Our yummy baked pasta is ready to serve. See, now the pasta is cheesy and soft. Guys, hope you like the recipe. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get all notifications of our videos. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care and stay healthy.